Do you also hate eating your eggs like this? I have a solution for you. 3 raw eggs, because we all know that raw eggs have insane nutrients in them. A tablespoon of vanilla extract. A tablespoon of maple syrup. 10 grams of creatine. Obviously, you gotta start your day with some creatine. Some milk. To the lowest setting. You have literally the best breakfast on the planet. Amazing. Best of all, it doesn't taste like you're swallowing a bunch of raw eggs. So if you like that, give me a follow.